My partner Sam was in the robotics industry. He was already in automation. He was the first person actually who set out to solve problems in welding, because he saw that the welding industry in Korea required automation. This was, of course, a long time ago. He's been doing a lot of automation with industrial robots. He set out with that, and then we, at some point, saw the issues in high-mix, low-volume fabrication, especially in welding. The problem with the industry now is there's a huge shortage of welders. This shortage, of course, is not only limited to welders. It's a lot of different tasks and jobs in the metalworking industry, but welding especially, because it requires certification. It's a dirty job. It's a physically tasking job. So welding's on top of the shortages right now. And what happened was we then set out to find a way to solve these problems with automation, but basic automation, easy automation with cobot systems.